STAR7 can be fully integrated with our wide range of analyzers, giving you unparalleled efficiency and control of the acquisition process. Through efficient setup, real-time status, displays and analysis, the whole process can be simplified. Acquisition times can be reduced by up to 85% over traditional methods, while dramatically reducing the risk of errors. Using the acquisition layout template, we can quickly display the necessary controls. The first step is to make a connection between STAR7 and the analyzer. The analyzer can be on the same computer or over a network. Use the acquisition control on the side panel and click Connect. The first time only, you will be asked to locate the analyzer. The default is the same computer. Click OK. Most of the acquisition parameters, for example channels, bandwidth and resolution, are set up using the acquisition software. However, if you have a model generated in STAR, you can choose which DOFs to acquire using the DOF selection tool. Selecting the directions and choosing model selection, we can point and click which points on the structure to acquire next. If you select more DOFs than there are available channels, the software will divide them up into sets. This can be seen by clicking the Preview button. The table can also be used to rearrange the order if necessary. Select one or more rows and right-click for a range of options. When you are happy with your selection, click the Send button. The model display will highlight which DOFs are currently pending and ready for acquisition. At each point, a box will be displayed with the sides coloured based on the status of the DOF. Red is unacquired, yellow is pending, green is acquired. To clarify this information, right-click a point and select Show Axis. If the model is set up correctly, the orientation of this axis should match the orientation of your transducer at that point. Further information on the selected point is displayed in the lower right corner, including which channel the point relates to. When measurement data is accepted and stored using the analysis software, the data is also sent to STAR and stored in the master project. Acquired points will be shown in green and the next DOF set will be shown as pending. Before acquiring the next set of data, you can quickly review what you have just saved by clicking a point on the structure. The control graph will update the active plot and show the measurement for that point. To view real-time data on a model display or a graph, use the Source option on the corresponding model bar or graph bar. Using this method, you can quickly select a point on the structure and view real-time data. Or select multiple points and create a real-time display of all your pending data channels. For further information on our wide range of vibration control, data acquisition and analysis products, please visit our website at www.spectraldynamics.com.